MX Express's settings menu provides the ability to further customize MX Express. To access settings, click on the icon located in the top left-hand corner, then Settings. First, let's look at Location. Location displays the DBA name and MID number of all merchants associated with the current sign-on. The selected DBA with the check mark is the merchant account currently in use. To switch processing to another merchant, simply tap on the merchant name. Next, let's review Signature by clicking on the icon in the top left-hand corner to return, and then clicking Signature. Signature allows various signature options when processing a payment. A signature may be captured on a printed receipt or digitally on the app. To collect the signature digitally, tap on the orb next to Digital Signature until it turns blue. Signature may be set to always, never, or to be requested only on transactions over $25. Next, let's review tips. Tips may be collected digitally through the app or on printed receipt. To collect tips on the app, the digital signature function and tip function must be on. To turn on tips, click on the orb next to the Collect Tips until it is blue. Tips are defaulted to show your customers the following options: no tip, 15%, 20%, 25%, and other amount. The default tip amount is set to automatically charge the customer 15% unless the customer chooses otherwise. And this option can be changed by the customer by tapping on any other amount. To manually set percentage amounts, simply click the orb next to the Set Percentage Amounts option until it's blue. Then click into each line to change the percentage amount. Notice tips are set in percentages. However, if a payment is less than $10, this doesn't allot for a big tip. However, when Smart Tips are enabled, Smart Tips converts the tips to dollar amounts on payments less than $10. Finally, default tips are calculated, and the amount with the tip amount is displayed to the customer, but the tip may be modified by the customer by selecting No Tip, Specific Tip Amount, or Other to enter a custom tip. If the signature is to be collected on the receipt, ensure the printer is connected, then turn off digital signature and turn on tips. The customer will then manually enter the tip, total, and sign. To adjust the payment to include tip, click Menu, History, locate the payment, and click Adjust Tip in the top right-hand corner. Now let's return to the main menu by tapping the icon in the top left-hand corner and reviewing printers. The Printers option allows the setup of printers within MX Express and will print receipts to a Bluetooth or network printer. To connect to a Bluetooth printer, you must first pair the Bluetooth printer to your device and then select the printer in MX Express. To set up a Bluetooth printer, first turn on your Bluetooth printer. Then in Settings on your device, select and turn on Bluetooth. Next, to pair with the printer, tap on the printer shown in the device list. The status displays are connected when successfully paired. Then sign into MX Express and go to Menu, Settings, Printers. Tap the plus sign and select Bluetooth Printer and select the paired Bluetooth printer. The Express app is also enabled with AirPrint, which allows you to print to any printer on the same Wi-Fi as your device. Whenever you tap the print button on a receipt, it will search for printers and ask you to select one if it finds multiple printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, we move to card readers. Card readers will show existing readers or allow you to add a new card reader. To add a new card reader, connect the card reader and simply find the device from the list of available devices shown. You may tap on a card reader for more detailed information. Once the card reader has been connected, you may return to the main payment screen to utilize the card reader. If you wish to change the default display color for the text within the MX Express app, tap on Appearance. Next, tap the color of your choice. Finally, tap on Advanced to allow a user to set their card present options if the card is always present, never present, or to ask on key transactions if it is card present or not. Here you can also select if you want to see advanced data fields during a payment by selecting the orb next to Advanced Data. Advanced data includes memo, note, searching or adding a customer during payment, customer number, invoice number, tax amount, and if tax exempt. To return to the main menu, tap Settings in the top left-hand corner and then finally Close.